Okay, welcome back. So, in this video, we'll go over the administrative end of the website, which is the back end that would allow you to make changes to your website, whether it be text, pictures, buttons, links, your menu items for the restaurant, uh, pricing, and so on and so forth. So, this is the front end of the website. The back end of the website link would be sent to you via email. So clicking on that link via email will send you to the back end of the website. So when you go to the back end of the website, this is what you would see. You would see username, password, and a secure login page. That way you are ensuring nobody else has access to your website but yourself. So we'll go ahead and log in. So this is your backend for the website. This is your dashboard where you see different things for the website. This is where you would see the different pages on the left. You would see different tools for your SEO and so on and so forth. Now, we'll just go over some basic steps in going over how to make changes. So, before you make any changes, you gotta visit the website from the front end and visit the page that you want to make changes on. For instance, I want to make a change to a food item pricing. So from the back end, I'm going to go to the front end of the website. Front end again is what the your clients see. So you'll go to this part over here with your name, Poseidon Restaurant, visit site. So that would open your front end. Now, because you have logged in as a back end manager for your website, you will see this extra tool that will show you some tools that you would need to make the changes. Okay, so for instance, we want to change pricing for a menu item. So for that, we would have to go to the menu page. So let's go there, click on menu, come down to the menu. Let's say, suppose we want to change the pricing for the soups. Let's say we want to change the pricing for the cup for the first one from $6.95 to $8.95. Okay, so what you would do first, step number one, is click on Enable Visual Builder. Again, you would only see this option if you log into the backend first. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Enable Visual Builder. Give it about 10 to 15 seconds. The Visual Builder will load up. And now when you go here, you will see a lot of extra buttons popping up. So you would click on the gear button here. Just hovering over this, you'll click on the gear button. And then you would see the soups, salads, and appetizers. You would see different categories of your menu have different boxes. So going under soup, salads, and appetizer, on the very far left, you will click on the gear icon again, and that will open your menu. So let's say this is under soups, and this is what we wanted to change. So we're going to change this from $6.95 backspace $8.95, and then you're gonna accept the change. So you're going to click on the ticky mark and then accept the change again. Click on the ticky mark. And then just like everything else, you have to save your work in computer. So at the very bottom center, you will see a purple circle with three dots. When you click on that, it opens up the save button. Click on save. This is very important. If you don't save your work, nothing will be saved. Nothing will be, even the changes you make will not go through if you don't save. Once the changes are made, make sure you exit the visual builder so that you don't accidentally make any other unwanted changes. So we'll click on exit visual builder. So now that the visual builder has exited, let's check out how our menu looks. So we'll go back here, soup, salads, and appetizer. Now you can see the pricing for this is $8.95. That's the change we just made. So as a recap, just gonna go back and rechange the price to $6.95. But this time I'm just gonna go over the clicks kind of quickly. So enable visual builder. Gear icon, gear icon, 8, 6, accept, 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 3 dots, save. And exit visual builder. And the change is made. There we go. Another example is, suppose we want to change some of the wording on the home page under the about section over here. Let's say we want to maybe change the phone number. Let's try changing the phone number. Say instead of 604, it's 519 as an example. So again, we got to go to the page where the change needs to be made. In this case, we already are here. You would click on enable visual builder. And then you'd slowly scroll down to this. And you keep your mouse over this, you will see the gear icon. So click on that. The option will show up. All you gotta do is change this to 519. And since that button has a clickable link for phones, you will have to change this one as well. So this one, you'll change this to 519. Accept change. And you can see this is already done. And then we would save. And exit visual builder. So now you'll see the phone number is changed to 519. Okay, another change we want to make as an example is if we want to change the picture. Say we want to change the picture for the second item here. I'm going to put a different picture. Again, you want to click enable visual builder. You take your mouse over the picture, click on the gear icon, click on the image. You can either upload a new file or use the pictures that have already been uploaded to the website. Suppose you want to upload a new file. So we'll just click on upload files, select file, and say we want to pick this picture. Now you can see the new picture has been uploaded. Again, you'd hit save and you'd exit the visual builder. If it doesn't save for some reason, this is the prompt you'll get. So in that case, you can always say save and exit. Anything else you may want to change, it's pretty much the same concept. So we'll do a final example here. Suppose we want to change the color for this paragraph from gray to red. Click on enable visual builder. And then you scroll down to the gear icon over this text. You can highlight this and change the text here to red, tick box, and there you go, it's already red. Next thing you do is hit save and exit the builder. Okay, so as a recap, we did 3 changes for this page. We changed the phone number, area code to 519. We changed the picture, second picture over here to this other picture. And we changed the text color for this paragraph. So as a recap, we're going to go over those 3 things once again to undo the changes we made as a practice. So enable visual builder. We go down to the phone number. Click on the gear icon. Change the 519 to 604. The link, change that to 604 as well. For the second change, I'm going to just change this picture here. I'm going to take it back to this. And for the third one, I'm just going to change this back to what it was. I've made all my 3 changes and I can just save one time. And exit the visual builder. So if I hit refresh, you can see the changes went through. You can see the picture has changed to the previous picture, the phone number has changed, and the text color has changed. So the same thing can apply for pretty much a lot of things on the website. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to contact Full Web Solutions for further assistance for any major changes. Again, we are here to help. We hope you enjoy your new website. This concludes the tutorial for managing your website. Thank you.